Okay, so Christina, you're going to click on Study Plan. And if you look here, you're doing the study plan for Knowledge Check 2. We've moved on to Knowledge Check 2 now. And so for Knowledge Check 2, you have to earn 7, she can't see me pointing, but I'm pointing this for you so you can see me. You must earn 7 mastery points before you take the test. She's already earned 4.
Okay.
So all she has to do is keep working on this, and every time she practices, she can quiz and see this, watch this number grow. Once it hits 7, she can go straight into the quizzes and tests, and it will unflag the next knowledge check for her. Just like she's earned the mastery points to do this one. So then you can click on it and start it, and you have 5 attempts at each knowledge check. So you want to do it, you want to use up all your attempts because you're aiming for the highest score. It automatically keeps the highest score. Here's the due date. So you want to work on it before the due date so that you can do it as many times as you want to. Now if you take the knowledge check twice, or even the first time, it doesn't matter, but if you take it once or twice and you're feeling very frustrated, or like you're not getting it, or you're feeling discouraged, that's when she needs to come in here. Christina, you need to come in here and ask me for help, and I will sit down with you. We'll go to the grade book, and I'll sit down and review it with you, and we'll click on the ones you got wrong, so like this one, and we'll click on it, and I'll tell you what you did wrong. Like for this one, the directions state to type an ordered pair, and you just typed in number 10. So that's an easy fix. That's a good problem, because that means you understand it, you just got to type it in correctly. That's a good, easy fix.
Yeah.
And then if I see something like this, then I will give her partial credit for that. So on my end, if this is worth 1 point and they only gave her half a point, I would give her another quarter of a point, because that's half of this, half of a point. So she would get 0.75 out of 1 point.